Sing Sang Tai Tai Leho. My name is Myra S. Rapadas, 39 years old. I am from Rangayan, Ilagan City, Isabela, Philippines. I am happy married. I have two daughters, ages 17 and 13. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. My hobbies is singing, dancing, and gardening. I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 2 years. I serve one couple and one child, age 7. I work as a domestic helper in Lebanon for 3 years, 3 months, from November 8, 2009 to February 24, 2012. I serve one couple, 2 children, ages 1 year old and newborn baby. I also work as domestic helper in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia for 10 years from June 16, 2014 to July 28, 2024. I serve one couple and their 7 children ages 18, 16, 14, 10, and triplets 4 years old. My duties is to take care of them, to feed them, to do house chores when they are sleeping. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn and save money for my family and my children's future. I am willing to take good care of newborn baby, toddler, children, and elderly. I can also sing a nursery song like Rock-a-bye baby on a treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall. And you will come, baby, cradle and all. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid, and I promise to do my responsibility with a heart, serve you as my own family. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.